Hi everybody, it's Derek from 9D Diagnostics. I'm just going to show you the difference between an old fuel filter and a new fuel filter and then why you should change it. So let's have a look. So just here is our old fuel filter. And it's not too bad. I have seen worse, but this is your new fuel filter. So it's brand new, and basically what this is designed to do is designed to catch any bits of dirt that come up from your fuel tank, and it grabs it in here and it prevents it from getting up into your engine. So look, some of these fuel filters can be expensive. This one isn't too bad, but some fuel filters can be up to 50 to 70 euro, and they're normally a long life fuel filter. So what you don't want to happen is you don't want any of that dirt that's in your fuel tank, because there will be dirt in there. It'll get in from the tankers that come in from the port. It'll get into your fuel tank, and if it makes its way up into the engine, and the tolerances are so small in the fuel pump, it will destroy your fuel pump and possibly even your injectors, and you could be looking at a £2,000 bill. So I always kind of say to people, look, would you rather spend 50 euro on a fuel filter or £2,000 on repairing the damage that it's going to happen if any of that stuff gets up there? It also will grab any water that's in the diesel and keep it in there as well, because you don't want water getting up into your engine. So that's the benefit of replacing your fuel filter. Look, some of them are longer life filters, some of them are not, depending on the manufacturer, but I would always replace it when it's due to be replaced. Sometimes I'll recommend to replace it a little bit sooner than usual, but the benefits are there. As I said, 50 euro to £2,000. To me, it's a no-brainer. Okay, thank you.